Hi students, I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we are going to watch another video. We are going to study about a derivation. We have a question that if we are increasing with altitude, then what effect will be happen when g. So the basic question is that the value of decreases when increases of altitude. If we are going above, then g value is decreases. So we have to make relation for increasing the altitude with decreasing the value of g. So we have a diagram where O is the point, which R is the radius of Earth, H is the height, one point is put in. So let the mass of the body is capital M and R is the radius from the Earth's surface. Then we know that by the gravitational law we have studied G equal to Gm upon R square, where G is gravitational constant. This will be our equation number first. But now we can take a point P. So a point P is a height from H from the surface, Earth G dash. Then G dash will be, the Gm will be there, but height will be plus H plus R. Then what will be the height? R plus H square, because the point we are taken. So this will be our equation number second. Then by the equation first and second, equation second is divided by first. G dash upon G equal to, we can write as Gm upon R plus H square multiplied by, we can write as we can write Gm upon R plus H square. So this will comes in upon, but it will be multiplied R square upon Gm. Then Gm to Gm will cancel. Then what will be remain? R square upon R plus H square. So if we are taking a common R square, then what will be remain? 1 plus H upon R. So R square will be cancel out. Then G dash upon G equal to 1 plus H upon R. This will goes upper side, then will be inversely minus 2. If H upon R is less than to 1, in place of that 1 we will put, then what will affect here? H plus R will be neglected, then R will be the LCM. Then what will we get? 1 minus 2H upon R. This will be our value from increasing altitude, from decreasing the value of G. So students, now we will see the expression for satellites near to the Earth. This is our second topic regarding this unit. So what is orbital velocity? We will see first. The orbital velocity is the velocity given to the artificial satellite a few hundred kilometers around from the Earth's surface. Given to the velocity given to the artificial satellite few hundred kilometers above from the Earth's surface. We have a diagram where R is the radius and small r. Let the mass of the satellite is small m if we are considering it, and the radius of satellites from the Earth center is small r. Radius of Earth is capital R. We know that the centripetal force, if artificial satellite is revolving around the sun, then around the Earth, then centripetal force will be there, which is mv square upon R. This is our centripetal force. But the gravitation force, we know that F equal to gmm upon R square. This is our equation first, and that is our second equation. Then we know that F left hand side equal, then our right hand side we will equal. Then centripetal force will be provided by the gravitational force. Then we will equal equation first and equation second. Then R to R cancel. Then small m to small m will cancel. Then V0 square equal to Gm up under root Gm upon R. This will be our relation. But if we are considering the radius of the R satellite from the Earth's surface, then total radius will be small r equal to R plus H. So in place of R small r we will put R plus H. G is given by Gm upon R square. So the Gm we will multiply R square, then Gm will be Gr square. So we will put in the equation V0 equal to, what will we get? Gm in place of Gm we will put Gr square, and R in place of we will put R plus H. Clear? In this equation, okay. In equation third we will put Gm in place of Gm we will put Gr square, and R we will put R plus H there. So what will we get? GR square upon R plus H का whole square. Then R will be taken as a common under root G upon R plus H. Then further we will solve, then we will get R under root G upon R, or the derivation we can derive as a V0 under root GR. Very simple derivation this is. You can try to solve this derivation accordingly. You very important concept. Try to study first orbital velocity and make the derivation and solve numerical question related this. Thank you.